Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your laptop is plugged in but not charging properly on your Windows device. So this should be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu and you want to type in Device Manager. You want to select the best match from this list, which should hopefully say Device Manager. So just left click on that one time. So now that we're in Device Manager, you either want to double click on the batteries selection or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand. And now any batteries that are listed in here, you want to right click on them and then left click on uninstall, click on OK, and you want to do this for any batteries that are listed. Now in my case I'm unable to remove the second one, but that's because I'm in a virtual environment, so it makes it a little bit difficult. But in most cases you should be able to remove any batteries that are listed in here, and once you've done that, restart your computer and they will automatically be reinstalled onto your computer. So it should be pretty straightforward, and I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.